Okay, after a rather, shall we say, humiliating defeat at the hands of what I thought was going to be an easier way to demonstrate this, I'm happy to flush that last 10 minutes and start over. So it's still the 10th of December. We haven't advanced a day, though it feels like we've done several days' worth of slogging through some ugly algebra. The big change here. The big change here is that because our VI is now not horizontal, we have to look at a VIX and a VIY. Well, duh. Thanks a lot, Moser. So no matter what the situation is, I tend to draw myself this little drawing at the beginning of all these problems because it just reminds me where my angle is, which trig function I'm going to use for VIY, VIX. We have a lot of problems that are leaving from the ground, where we're talking about something that's being kicked from the ground, launched from a rocket launcher, launched from a potato cannon. And so very often we find that VIY is sine theta VI. However, I'm going to caution you to not assume that that is always the case. I had somebody years ago who went, well, Y is always sine, and then we had a problem immediately after she said that where it wasn't, and she went, oh, I see. So just make sure that you're clear on the situation. Yes, we will, since I'm not sure anybody wants to follow me down another dark and wooded path of algebra again. Perhaps we should watch Joe Genius momentarily on projectiles. I'm so sorry, guys. Here's the question I meant to ask. This finally came to me as I was watching Joe Genius. To get that same delta x displacement, what initial velocity is required? Is it higher? Is it lower? Does it help you to put a ramp on the thing? And I think you all intuitively, because you all intuitively said that at the same initial velocity with a ramp you would go farther. What that means then, if you back that up, is that we would expect that the VI required would be lower if we use a ramp versus driving straight off the end, because we're getting some lift, therefore we've got a little bit more time. So we will start this one from scratch tomorrow, and then we'll do the crazy one in the book. And then we'll start on problems. So that's all we got.